Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix for the today fix the problem for fix Windows 11 kb5036980 and kb5037591 is not installing. This is a problem for step-by-step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Get click to the search bar, search the troubleshoot settings, click to open, click to the other troubleshoots. Select it to the Windows update, click to run. Wait for the few minutes. This is the only check for the Windows update uses only. Okay, you will click to close. So you will go back to the Windows update. Then click to the raise some updates to get update. Okay. This is not updated, so you will click to the second step for you to open the CMD. Then you will I will provide this command you in this the video description. You will copy to paste the CMD. You'll search the CMD. You will click to the run as administrator. Click that. You will type Control plus V to click to enter. This operation was successful. Click to close. Then third step for run as the automatic in the Windows updating services. You will click to search the services. Click to open to scroll down for Windows update using to then right click to properties. You will select the startup type for change automatic. Service status for stop to you will start. This is already running. Okay, you will click to update, click to OK. Then finally you will restart your PC or laptop to this problem issues for solve it. After get to open to get check the Windows update for it is automatically downloaded. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.